how one simple idea turned into a brilliant tool. A truck once got stuck, one of its rear tires was spinning, but the other one wasn't moving at all. The driver was struggling to get it out, so he picked up a small piece of wood and placed it between the two rear tires. As the spinning tire turned, it moved the wood, and that helped push the stuck tire. That clever trick later became a real invention. Today, many trucks have a small metal roller hidden between their rear tires. When needed, it lowers into place between the tires and transfers power from the tire that's spinning to the one that's stuck, and helps the truck drive out easily.